To send messages using your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 is fairly easy. You're going to start by opening up the messaging app on your watch itself. And then from here, you're going to go ahead and give the necessary permissions that are needed. So go ahead and give the necessary permissions when prompted, such as access to sending messages and all sorts of things. And then once you do that, you should now be able to send messages. Now from here, you're going to select the option Start Chat. And then you do need to ensure that your phone is currently connected to your watch. If it's not, just go ahead and recheck the connection by opening up the Galaxy Wearable app and just ensuring that your watch is successfully connected. Now, once they've been successfully connected, it should bring back the connection, but you can go ahead and close and then try again to start a chat. Now from here, it will prompt you to choose between your contacts on who you want to send the chat to. So go ahead and select it like so, and then select that number and select this bubble message icon like so. So from here, you can now go ahead and use the quick replies that are available, or you can go ahead and type in your own message. You can use the on-screen keyboard, or you can use any of the other text options that are available. And then once you do decide to do that, like so, and you've typed out your message, you can go ahead and tap on this check mark button like so, and it should automatically send that message to the recipient. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.